because on this occasion we are also launching SHE Worldwide, which is an acronym for Saluting Her Endeavor. And this journey started in 2011, first when the foundation announced an award called the Saluting Her Endeavor Award, and we gave the award to two women who are doing great work at the grassroots. Then I went to Malaysia in 2011, and there we met with some very, very passionate women of Indian origin who felt that they were not being able to contribute enough to society, because whenever they tried to contribute, there was also always a man who had the final word. So they wanted to be part of an executive where they could lead from the front and men could advise them, men and women. So that started our journey in Malaysia 2 years ago towards creating SHE Worldwide, which is for South Asian women and their diaspora. So our nodal agency has begun now in India, and we are launching 2 of our chapters today, SHE Worldwide Malaysia and SHE Worldwide Singapore, starting now with an invocation by the students of Manzil. Now, Manzil is something that I almost stumbled upon because of my friend Claude Alvarez from Goa. He said, why don't you work with Ravi's kids, who he's nurtured for the last 15 years. He worked with children from lower income groups around the very affluent Khan market, children who were going to municipal schools, who didn't have too much of a life where they could explore their creativity. And he's helped them. And now there's this whole organized forum of these children from the age of 7 to the age of, I don't know, maybe 40, 50, any age. There's no limit to that age. And I was stunned to see the kind of talent that has been developed with music, with theater, with dance, Kathak, Western dances, reading, poetry, all kinds of things. And it's been really a delight to work with them. We are actually presenting a play with them on the 23rd, where we will also be giving a couple of awards to women who've done great work for a lifetime. And Shruti Foundation will be very, very honored to give them that award on the 23rd. But today we are delighted to invoke the presence of the divine in this space on the occasion of the 3rd World Education Culture Congress by the students of Manzil, to 3 lines, 3 eternal lines. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Invoking the source, lead us from untruth to truth, from darkness to light, from dissolution to immortal life. So may I invite the students of Manzil to come on stage. तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय We're now going to sing the national song, the Indian national song, Vande Mataram. The tune has been borrowed from Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Pondicherry. They sing it quite differently. They sing it with a marching beat. And it's been one of my favorite tunes for Vande Mataram, so I took the liberty of teaching them this tune, and I look forward to you all enjoying it, and not only enjoying it, but singing along with us. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam, Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam, Shashya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Jyotsa pulkitaya mili, Shubhra Jyotsa pulkitaya mili, Pulla kusumita dhumadala shobhini, Pulla kusumita dhumadala shobhini, Suhasini sumadhura bhashini, Suhasini sumadhura bhashini, Sukhdam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam, Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam, Shashya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.